Yeah, we live. We live. ODL Studio. It is what it is. Your boy Naughty. K shit. Director. You hear me? You know what I mean? Hollywood.
Prince.
Hollywood. You know what I mean? It's real. It's real.
You ain't never seen that shit before.
You know what I mean? Yeah, man. This just a sample. This just a sample, man. I glad it's all I can give you right now, man. If I can give you more, I would. But right now, this gonna have to be suffice. You know what I mean? So this a sample of Hollywood Trust featuring T Naughty.
I be going in though. It's real. Go.
Trust no niggas. ODL, we keep it chillin'. All my niggas, they some hitters.
I think this all we gonna